So this is a back porch that's enclosed in screens all the way around, and the owner just recently put up some plastic uh, along the back side, and I'll show you why in just a minute. So we're inside the back porch, and these are the screens, and the perimeter is beaded pine for the wainscoting. You can see it below the screens. And yet here, as we come around, we see the reason I'm here. And you can see the white silicate from the water damage over the years. What has happened is that water has been coming in the screen here in the back for quite some time. There's no eaves on the back, and the water's been coming in the screens and running down onto and behind the plywood sheathing and the framing. I removed all of the framing. It was so rotted and full of bugs, bug holes, bug borings, that I pretty much just took it off by hand. A lot of damage to the sheathing. Now, to do this correctly, the whole wall should be removed. The sheathing should be removed and the new clapboard put on the back. But the owners don't want to do that. They'd rather go ahead and just have me frame up the inside. You'll be able to see that I can just move the sheathing in and the clapboard in by hand. So when this is reframed, I'm not going to put in aluminum drip edge. I'm just going to put in the framing on the inside and caulk the bottom, because water is coming in here and getting the plywood on the inside of the back wall is rotted. The owners did not want to replace the sheathing or the clapper on the back wall, so I am repairing the porch from the inside out. What I've done so far is I've reframed and put down 2x framing plus 1x to support the corners. The corner was gone as far as the sheathing here. Structurally, the 4x4 posts existing, although damaged by insect rot, appear to be solid enough to support the wall. And there are 4 of those along the back. So I've glued and I've nailed the existing sheathing to the 2x4 studs. I've also used liquid nails and screwed the top and bottom rails into the base and the top side. The build out of the porch sits on a deck, a pre-built existing deck with lots of support for the stone. So we're all set there. Next step is to start to install the beaded wainscoting. A new beaded pine going up. And it's done. Trim is up along the top. It's 1x2 trim.